Actually nga po noong una, gusto nila paghiwalayin kami ng tent.
Instance na wag akong titingin na talagang pinigilan ko talaga, no? Naaalala ko dati nung mga childhood memories ko, nung bata
Honest
pa
dapat,
ako.
honest.
Oh, honest. Honest to, promise. Ganun. Oo, kasi science school, pare. Science high school ako eh. So alam mo yun, mahirap talaga. Mahirap yung pag-aaral ko. Kaya ang pinaka nahirapan ako na wag kang titingin ay yung test paper nung katabi ko. Oo.
So, ibig sabihin huwag kang mangopya.
Yes. Yun ang bilid sa amin. Huwag kang titingin.
Oo.
At tumingin ako. Ayun lang. Maganda naman na kinalabasan. Na-perfect ko naman. At ayun, maraming salamat.
Oo, maraming salamat sa hindi pagtingin.
Well, starting off this answer, I don't know if many people know my upbringing within showbiz, within here in the Philippines, but it's almost been a year and a half now, and it's been a really, really fast and fun year. And I mean, after college, 1 week after my graduation, as in I walked my stage, I took a flight here in the Philippines and I was modeling here, guys. So, I don't know, I was working so much. I entered in showbiz really, really fast. And to answer your question, guys, applying this message, I really never looked back. I didn't look back. Once I landed here in the Philippines, I went straight at it and I really focused on my future, really invested in myself, and to be here on this stage with this wonderful cast here for this first horror film, my first film ever, it's truly a blessing. So I definitely recommend for any of you guys that are chasing your dreams to never look back, guys.
Ako kasi lumaki po sa Canada. May accent din eh. Joke lang. But yeah, I grew up in Canada, but I never got rid of that tradition. Sticking to the Filipino core. I mean, to the Western culture, it's not really the norm for them. Like, hindi sila naniwala sa superstitions. But ako, yung mga simpleng bagay na hindi pwede magpalas, so you cut your nails at night, magwalis sa gabi, talaga na-apply yan sa akin ng parents ko. But for me, my most favorite one, and it's two birds in one stone, yung nagpapagpag pag bumibisita ka sa wake. And speaking of pagpag, I really relate to that because Direk Frasco was the director of that. And siguro, even more special for me na growing up, I used to watch that film and now we're a part of one of his wonderful creations. So ayun, I feel like superstitions could just be a belief, but at the same time, it's really engraved in the Filipino culture and it says a lot about our traditions.
In other words, huwag kang hindi magpapagpag.
I do agree with Michael. Philippines is such a cultural place. Like, we believe in a lot of superstitions and such as. But I grew up Christian, so most of the superstitions I don't actually really believe in. I tend to really just put my trust and faith in God for whatever happens, whatever comes next, and whatever I'm doing really at the moment. So past, present, future, I really just give it to Him. So to the superstitions, I did grow up knowing them because my Lala was one person who really believed in a lot of people in my family po talaga. But it was instilled in me to really just put full 100% trust in God. So no po, I do not believe in superstitions, and thank you for the question.
Superstitions. Ang galing ni Michael, nakuha niya yung akin eh. Pero another one that I do believe in is, huwag magwales sa gabi. Kasi parang isi-sweep out mo sa bahay mo yung swerte. Yun. Recently ko lang nalaman yun. And kaya pala, palaging nagwawalis sa umaga, di ba? Yun. So yun. Pwede sa umaga, wag sa gabi.
Actually, nung ginagawa namin siya, medyo seryoso kami dalawa talaga. Kasi lalo na ako kasi first movie ko to and marami din sa akin na share si Sophie na pag movie daw iba sa serye, like sa serye, kahit kumbaga ilang takes lang dito, talagang kailangan bawat ginagawa yung mga scene, talagang kailangan perfect talaga. So nung ginagawa namin siya, I'm thankful na yung closest namin together is talagang solid na. So mas madali nang mag-adjust kung ano yung mga ibibigay namin together. So I think, ayun, doon siya dumali.
Hindi, actually nga po noong una, gusto nila paghiwalayin kami ng tent. Kasi yung
Actually.
characters, kita naman sa trailer na hindi kami close dapat in the story. Iisa lang yung Ted, so mag-attend pa rin kami. Pero ginawa namin, when we have scenes together for the day, medyo hindi kami masyado na uusap na alam namin madidistract kami sa characters namin. Kasi syempre malalim yung pelikula. And ayaw namin na maging distraction pa yung closeness namin in real life sa characters na pinaportray po namin. And just been sa chemistry, it's just there. Wow, feeling!